Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today there is a good news especially for the freelancer. Our government has set up a process for the freelancers to open bank accounts. Freelancer only need to show evidence of having accounts on the platforms like Fiverr, Upwork or Crossover. Secondly, there is a news for the PayPal coming in Pakistan or not. So I will let you know that basically PayPal directly is not coming to the Pakistan, but there is an alternate solution for the Pakistani freelancers to receive the payments from the PayPal. PayPal itself is not directly coming to Pakistan. An agreement has been made to the route payments through PayPal via a third party. In this new program, freelancer do not need to open a PayPal account. Instead, people outside the country will make payments from their PayPal accounts and the money will be quickly deposited into the freelancer accounts.